My presentation has two sections. First, I'm going to talk about Ant+ certification program, and then I will talk about several new products we introduced this year. Before George is setting up, I'd like to ask you guys a question. So do you know, so you visit thisisant.com, I think, often. Do you know which section of this thisisant.com attract most traffic of the whole site? Any idea? Okay, what? Directory. That's right, right on. Sorry, no prize. James, do you have any prize? Okay, the product directory actually attracts 50% of the traffic of the whole site. So you know that this is one outcome, important outcome from the certification program. We list all certified products in two directories. One is consumer-oriented, another one is B2B-oriented. The one key factor of the product directory, or one focus of the program, is the integrity of the Ant+ ecosystem, is the interoperability between products. So this key element is well showcased in the way we present product through the directory. So you can see there that product pop up and show how many compatible products this one has. And if you click individual products, you see the page that lists all the compatible products assigned to it. So after we launched this directory in 2012, before Christmas season, the directory soon became one of the key reference for consumers to decide what kind of products to purchase. It's an official reference. If you ever visit some forum on the internet, you can see occasionally or people argue on certain this product talk to another, whether it is true or not. Somebody will, hey, here is a reference. You can check the directory, and it's listed there. So this become very important for consumers. So members, a lot of member companies realize that this is an important tool to promote their product. So often they list on their own web page, they refer to the directory. So check this link to see how the compatible products. So that's become a general practice for a lot of member companies. So as James already mentioned, so far we have more than 640 products listed on the directory. This is also the fourth year we run this program. So let's take a quick look how we involved this program in the past 4 years. So we announced this program in 2011 on this stage. And in 2012, I mentioned we launched this consumer directory. And the same year also expanded the program to cover apps. In 2013, we expanded the program to cover smartphones. In 2014, we realized there's a needs between business, so we have this B2B guide. So normally it's OEM want to sell their designs to other companies, or other brands want to find existing designs they can just brand and sell. And also we simplify the process in 2014. So I know you guys are very smart and you can read the Ant+ profile, develop the thing, but before 2014, there is one confusing part for certification. We have totally 6 types of certification. So people need to figure out what type of their product to certify. So that becomes a trouble, even for the smart people like you guys. So we simplify that, and we reduce the types of certification to 2. The new products and the derivative products. And this year, we start to endorse member app ecosystems. So member app ecosystem, I think James mentioned it a little bit, but I want to further explore what it is with one slide. So take the Connect IQ as a case. So Connect IQ has a special feature that an app developer can program unused AND channels to expand the AND plus connectivity. So for example, a watch, if a new watch does not have, say, a MOXIE muscle oxygen sensing capability, you can program using an AND channel, add that capability. So what we work with Connect IQ app, Connect IQ store is to have a one-stop submission. So we work with them, integrate the system together. So developer only need to submit one time, and in behind the scene, the same application will also transfer to AND plus certification. So one submission, you get both Connect IQ listing. Also, your product will be listed on AND plus product directory. So this kind of endorsement, we are going to expand to other members. So if you are going to develop your own app ecosystem, yeah, you can come to talk to us, and we want to combine or integrate the process and make this a smooth experience for your app developers. So now it's a showcase of or breakdown of the number of products listed on the directory. So far, we have 210 display devices. We have this includes like a fitness console, watch, phone, and those from Recon, that Superman glasses. We have 262 sensors. Do you see a pattern on this slide? A pattern? The white color are health sensors, and sports sensors are all black. Not all, but most of them. I don't know why, but maybe you want to think some other way for your next product. If you want to see colors, we have 94 mobile phones. Of course, you see colors, you need to turn them on. And 54 apps. So we see a trend that the apps, we have data analysis focused apps. We have also those virtual racing apps. Those are getting popular. So we talk about this directory, this promotion side of the AND plus certification program. There's another number I want to show you guys. That is a product quality, kind of what this program can help to solidify your product quality, and also to, of course, to ensure the integrity of the AND plus ecosystem. 45% of the total Type 1 submissions. Type 1 is a new product development. To date, this is based on our experience, requires some kind of fixes before they can pass the AND plus profile test. So which means no matter how smart it is, there are some areas you will be ignored, and the fix normally takes maybe half an hour, 40 minutes. But if you don't fix it, it will affect your consumer experience. So this is a key factor there. I have a question now. Do you guys guess, just guess, which company have the most failures? The answer is the company submit the most. and they enjoy this program the most, of course. Yeah, so I want to repeat the same numbers James already showed. So year over year, we see a really growth of the certification submission, right? So this year we are actually on the same trend, and we are going to exceed the last year, I think. So many companies already realize the benefits of N+ certification program, and they know this it's helped them promote their products. It also helped them ensure their product quality, ensure their consumer experience. So we encourage anybody in this meeting room still not doing this, please. And also, if you have experienced anything when you're doing the product certification, if you have something that you want, tell us to improve this program. Just don't hesitating and talk to me, talk to anybody with Cert, and they will actually eventually deliver the message, and we will of course seriously review your inputs. The new hardware products introduced this year by Dynastream. We have several products, basically two products here. One is a 4-profile-in-1 application-specific chip. We call it DAX-X01 or DAX-S01. Another product is 2 models, actually, generic module models. It's of the popular N5 module families, N550 and N5150. So first, DAX-S01. It is this product is targeted to value-based sensors. So we want to bring down the system cost of heart rate monitor, of bike speed, bike cadence, bike speed and cadence sensors. So driven by that, we have this profile for certified profiles built into this one chip. It's selectable by just the GPIO settings. We remove the 32K crystal required. It has 2-year battery life. So we launched early this year, and we have many companies in the design phase of this chip. So this is the first time we publicly introduce this product. So if you are interested, come to talk to Mike, our global sales manager, or Hugh, our regional sales manager in Taiwan, or me. Next is the 2 models introduced this year for the popular N5 module family. So it's start to use the Nordic NRF51422V3 chip. So the 2 models, the first model N5150 support the 32K RAM. So 32K RAM is required for resource-demanding applications. For example, if you attend yesterday's workshop for the mesh network demo, those modules used in those candles are all using the 32K RAM version. The N550 module support industrial temperature operation. It's from -40 to 85. One important element of this important function feature, or one goal we eventually achieved, is the certification regulatory side of this module. So all the modules share the same FCC IC or Japan certification ID. So if you need to transfer your product from one model to another, it's very easy. The module is preloaded with the newer soft device S21050. It has a couple important feature enhancements. Lisa will introduce those 2 features later. Because this, I just remind everybody here is because of the phasing out of the V2 chip of the NRF51422, end of this year, we also start the process to end of life N548. So actually, because of the FCC ID, IC ID, those kind of things are the same. So it is a very easy transition from N548 to N550. So if your products already use this module, N548 module, you should start to think about transition. So That's all my presentations. Any questions? No? Okay, thank you.